just fed. And they're doing good. And I'll give you a tour of my bird room. Okay. These are some babies from this year. There's a little Gloucester. I got one Gloucester. And there's some of my color bred birds. These two are right there. Okay, where's everybody? Oh, there they are. I just fed crackers. They've been eating a lot of crackers this year. I'm not sure why they like them. And here's a nice pair that I like a lot. That yellow one is the male. There's two babies. And she's on a bunch more eggs. She's a nice hen over there. This is their third round. I've got to take the nests away because I'm getting tired of it at all. Here's a nice pair. That's the hen. And that's the male. And they have one baby. I'll show you. It's a nice baby. Nice big baby. And here's a pair. This is a real nice pair. This pair I've had, this is their second year. That bronze hen. And that's the male, the orange one. Here's another pair. Put some more light. They've been real good. Broccoli. I've been feeding a lot of broccoli, lettuce. That's the male. There's two babies. And her name is Lemon, and she's on some eggs, if you can see her. She's a great hen. Gosh, my cage's kind of dirty. That opal hen, her name's Lemon. Gosh, she feeds her small babies. I had 7 pairs. I think this is the 6th pair I've shown you. The male is the red factor right there. And this hen is a red factor. She's on some more eggs. I gotta get the babies out of there. She's on 4 more eggs and she's opal and red factor. She's a great hen too. Would feed her little tiny babies. Here are my Gloucesters. You guys are hard to keep going. She might have laid some more eggs back there, that Gloucester. She's real cute, but she doesn't feed her tiny babies. And he's real cute. Look how cute he is. And that's a nice male right there. He's real nice. Hello. Every egg was fertilized in this last round. The hen just didn't seem to want to. I like this nice big cage. She's over there on some more eggs. There she is. She didn't feed her tiny babies. Of my 7 pairs, 2 of them didn't want to feed their nice babies. Only one was mine that I raised. But yeah, this is my bird room. It's my extra bedroom. I've had 6 pair. And I'm real happy. I think I have 25 babies. And here's some food I've been feeding. A friend gave me this hemp seed, just smashed. And I like oat groats. I feed those. I love this KT seed, but I need a cheaper place to get it. And that's chicken feed I grind up. I may eat it. Boy, and it's nice and it's a nice place. There's my backyard. I've been planting a lot of things. Some cats have been trying to eat my birds I feed. Yeah, so these are my birds. I just wanted to show everybody. I think I have, 25 babies or 24. I kind of was hoping to have 30. And I'm kind of getting tired of it. It's a lot of work. Okay. Bye for now.